Welcome to our demonstration of using a shared vSAN witness host with multiple vSAN 2-node configurations. Here we see 2-node clusters that have already been configured. They are using a single vSAN witness host virtual appliance, which shows up as a blue host on the list of hosts and clusters. vSAN 7 Update 1 supports using a single witness host with up to 64 2-node clusters. Let's take a quick look at configuring another 2-node configuration using Cluster Quick Start in the shared witness host. We can see that vSphere DRS, vSphere HA, and vSAN have been enabled for Cluster 03 in the Cluster Basic window. The next step is adding hosts to this new cluster. We select 2 hosts from the list. The third host shown is the witness host. We will add it to the configuration later in the process. Cluster Quick Start performs a health check to help ensure the hosts are suitable for the next step, which is cluster configuration. The third step in Cluster Quick Start provides a streamlined method for consistent configuration of all hosts in the cluster. This includes networking, cluster services, vSAN disk group configuration, and more. In this case, networking is already configured. We click Configure Network Settings later to skip this step and click Next. Under vSAN options, we change the deployment type to 2-node vSAN cluster and click Next. Cluster Quick Start recommends disk group configurations for the hosts in the cluster. We will go with those recommendations and click Next. A vSAN 2-node cluster requires a vSAN witness host, which is typically a virtual appliance deployed at the primary data center. vSAN 7 Update 1 supports sharing a witness host across multiple 2-node clusters, so we can select the existing witness host for this cluster. After a few moments, we see the 2-node cluster has been configured and it is healthy. We now have 3 vSAN 2-node clusters sharing a single vSAN witness host. This concludes our demonstration of using a shared vSAN witness host with multiple vSAN 2-node configurations. Thank you.